Hello friend, welcome back again your own channel. So today's video is very important for all the viewers because today I am going to tell you about any Android phone unlocking process and very simple method with the very simple method. So it's known from the comments that there is lots of locking complaints is coming. So today's video I will tell you unlocking tips and very simple tricks that you can unlock your phone sitting at home only. So some simple step which we have to follow with me, and you watch this video continuously without a skip, then you will be able to understand about this process very well. So this method is called offline method. First of all, make sure your handset is on offline flight mode activated or not. So my handset is already on flight mode. Now it's time to swipe this interface area. Now as you can see on the bottom on the screen, emergency call option is given. So please press here, and I am going to give you some secret code for the any Android phone. Please apply this code on your phone. Please note down, otherwise you can take a screenshot of this numbers. The star has 8932800547 star 546 and hash. After that you have to press here 5 times calls button. After completing this process, please erase all the numbers and apply most important step. This is a master unlocking code. So star has 899 and hash. Now you are in engineer mode page and there are so many option is coming. So first which you have to click on after sales device calibration and press here OK and go in the manual test. Second option we have to press device debugging and go with the M sensor test. Wait here from for till 10 to 15 second because XYZ is synchronizing. These three words is synchronizing X, Y and Z. After that come back and press manual test successful is showing. Now we have to press here proximity sensor test. I'm going to zoom for your help. Proximity calibration, and please confirm here, press OK. And the last process is the others option. After swiping the last page you can see there are 4 5 option is coming in this page. So please press database versions or mainboard version what we have. So please press here 7 times 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. After completing this process, please press key status. Now all the options are passed except 3 or 4 because this which is not support from for this handset. Now it's time to rewrite important log text asking confirmation, don't confirm. Third time you have to confirm here. Now your handset pin pattern already reset. So now it's time to click to back home button, you can say, and we have to check our handset is locked or unlocked. So come on home button. Now you can see my friend, my handset is unlocked and without help of any computer and without loss of any data or application. So I think you like this video, and please subscribe our channel and like share. I will see you in next video with some simple steps.